Good morning, students. We are on the point at last time that Marokla went to Great January and requested for the violets. That time, Great January told it is not possible to get violets in this time. So she again requested him that, please, father, tell me where I can get the violet flowers. Then Great January stood up and went to one of the younger month, and that younger month was March. Great January giving the club to March and said, brother, take the high seat. After that, March took the high seat and he sat on the stone and waved the club over the fire. March sat upon the high stone and waved the club over the fire. The fire blazed up, and after that, snow began to melt. At that time, the trees began to bud, and the ground was at once covered with grass, and it was the springtime. The violets began to bloom among their little leaves, and before Maragla had time to think, so many of them had sprung up that, and they looked like blue clothes spread out on the ground. And at that time, the ground was full with lot of flowers. Then March commanded to Maracula, now pick them quickly. Maracula picked them joyfully till she had a big bunch. She picked a lot of flowers. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered merrily home. After that, Olena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Maragla bringing the violets, because they saw from their house Maragla is bringing the flowers, and in her hand the bunch of flower is there. Then they opened the door to her, and the scent of violets filled all the cottage. They smell very good scent of violets, and they became very happy, and all that scent filled in their cottage. Where did you get them? Asked Helena sulkily, because they mother and the Helena were surprised at that time, because this was not season of violets, and then also Maracula returned again with the flowers, and that was a great surprise to her. They are growing under the Maracula replied that they are growing under the bushes in a forest on the high mountains. Replied Maracula. Where did they get flowers? She told, they are growing under the bushes in a forest on the high mountain. Then Helena snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single one to her sister. Helena snatched means she took out all the flowers from the Maracula's hand